Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is June's, wow, we've been doing this for so many months and it's already June. But today is the in-season produce video for the month of June. And if you guys are new to this series, every month I go through a list of all the fruits and vegetables that are plentiful this month and which will be the freshest and the best price. So you guys can plan and shop accordingly when you're planning out your meals and budget for the month. I have two things to talk about really quick before we dive into the video. First of all, this video is a giveaway. I am so excited. I love doing giveaways for you guys and it's been a really long time since I've done one. But last weekend, my husband and I and our two little kiddos went to Powell's, which is an amazing bookstore. It's called the City of Books and it's in Portland. It's like the biggest bookstore I've ever seen. It's a book lover's dream come true. I'm always looking in the vintage cookbook section because I love vintage things and like also cooking, so it's like two of my passions meeting, and I love finding the Betty Crocker cookbooks and stuff, and I always spend way too much money there. But anyways, long story short, I was looking in that section and this is the book that I always share with you guys. You're always asking me questions about it, like where I got it and everything. It's the Betty Crocker cooking calendar from the 1960s. My book is kind of falling apart a little bit, but it was first published in 1962, and I think it looks like this is a first edition. So whenever you guys ask about it, I always tell you to look at a vintage bookstore. However, last time I was at Powell's, I found one, so I decided to grab it for you guys and do a giveaway. So I'm going to send it to one lucky person. This is going to be open to the US, and I will cover shipping in the US only. If you really, really want to win this copy and you're willing to like PayPal me for shipping, and you're international, then go ahead and enter and just let me know that. But yeah, I will pay for shipping if you guys are in the US. But anyways, this is not a vintage copy. It is actually a reproduction and it looks like brand new. So I'm really excited to be giving this away. To enter this giveaway, I will have information linked down below. But what you need to do is go and enter on my Instagram, which is at JustineMarie55. You do need to be subscribed to my channel, but YouTube doesn't like us to do giveaways on my channel, so make sure you head over to my Instagram, because what I really would like for you guys to do is share this video and let me know in the comments down below that you did. Anyway, so I'm really excited to do that and I'm so happy that I found this for you guys. So let's just get into the video now. As per usual, I will be going through that cookbook and then also my Martha Stewart Everyday Food magazines to give you guys meal inspiration, because as a mom, I kind of like lose inspiration every now and then to plan meals. So I think definitely going through these books helps me, and a lot of you say it helps you as well. The last thing I wanted to mention really quick is, do you guys have the app Ibotta? Because if you do not have this app, you are losing money. I always talk about cutting down my grocery bill and everything, and Ibotta is an app I've been using for the past 2-ish years, and I have saved almost $300. What it is a reverse couponing app on your phone. All you do is shop like you normally do, pull up anything that you found on your receipt and scan your receipt, and you will literally get money back. Just that easy. It's like reverse couponing, but on an app. It's amazing. So I will have that link down below. If you guys use my link, you will get $10 to start off with. I will get $5, and once you accumulate $20, you can exchange it for a gift card to Sephora, Amazon, tons of places, or you can have it go straight to your PayPal or Venmo as cash, which is amazing. And like I said, I've earned almost $300. This is not sponsored. This is just something that I've been using all along, and I think that you guys would really love it as well. So head down to that link after this video and sign up for Ibotta. You will not be disappointed. It's such a great app. This feels so much more vintage now that I've been holding that nice new copy. Anyways, so we're in June. So I'm gonna sneeze from the dust of this book. Every month this book kind of gives you a list of things to do for the month, whether it's home maintenance or yard work or whatever. And this month it kind of just talks about how everything's blooming and just to enjoy that and let it do its thing. Your yard is just doing great, your flowers are just blooming, and they suggest that you spend time outside. It says June is the month of long twilights. By the 21st, the first day of summer, summer's coming, I'm so excited. When the sun has moved as far north of the equator as possible, the balmy evenings are a delightful invitation to dine outdoors. Too many of us overlook the potentialities of our yards and gardens, letting them serve only as settings for our homes instead of making them into backgrounds for living. I really like that. A simple portable grill on the patio is all the foundation you need for cooking and entertaining in your own backyard, and it will give you an extra dimension in gracious living. And I think that's awesome. So fire up your grills and and head outside in the evenings to enjoy the sunset, to enjoy some family time. So this month I will definitely be planning to do some sort of meal out on my patio. I think that will be great. And lately we kind of have, the evenings have been nice and cool, and we kind of have been migrating outdoors, and it's really nice. There's something about it that just makes you slow down, if you guys know what I mean. Okay, so the June red letter foods are peas and strawberries. These are the most plentiful, the most fresh, and strawberries sound really good. Plentiful vegetables are asparagus, beets, cabbage, carrots, celery, corn, greens, onions, peas, potatoes, summer squashes, and tomatoes. Other available vegetables are broccoli, cauliflower, eggplant, mushrooms, peppers, sweet potatoes, and yams, turnips. My friend Angela is Romanian, and they make this delicious, oh my goodness, I'm not an eggplant person, but they make this delicious eggplant dip that you dip crackers or bread in. So I'm gonna buy me an eggplant and make her give me that recipe because it is amazing. Maybe I'll do a cook along video with that because it is so good and it's healthy too. Plentiful fruits: apricots, bananas, blueberries, cantaloupe, cherries, oranges, peaches, pineapples, plums, raspberries, rhubarb, strawberries, and watermelon. I have been trying to get around to making a strawberry rhubarb pie. I'm gonna do it today. I'm going to do it today. I've been saying that I wanted to ever since rhubarb came in season back in April, and I haven't done it, but I'm gonna do it today. You guys hold me accountable in the comments, ask me if I did it, and I better say yes. Okay, so tips on buying peas: 1 to 1.5 pounds serves 2. That's a lot of peas. Well, okay. Select young peas in crisp green, well-filled pods. Okay, so it's like the actual peas in pods. So that would weigh more. No swollen pods or poor color. A fresh pea crushes easily between the fingers. Store in hydrator or plastic bag in the refrigerator. I don't know what hydrator is. Must be something vintage. Tips on buying strawberries: 1 quart yields 3 cups or 5 to 6 servings. That's pretty good. Select bright, clean, fresh, fragrant, medium-sized, tart, well-shaped strawberries with green caps. They are highly perishable. That is true. Pick over carefully, spread on tray, refrigerate a short time. For best flavor and texture, do not wash until just before using. I have some that I need to get used. Okay, so now the best part of the day, which is monthly vintage meal inspiration. You guys know I love this part. Okay, so it says peach French style. Peas, I don't know how French this is. This is French for the 1960s. You mix it with salt, pepper, nutmeg, and sugar. And you cover with lettuce leaves. Cook uncovered over low heat 25 minutes or until tender. Discard leaves. 6 servings. Interesting. Also, peas in cream is it says another wonderful way of serving garden fresh peas. Veal smitany, I don't know, is just a veal recipe, and that's for a meeting of the Gourmet Club. Whoever wins this will see that they also give you a menu plan, not all the recipes, but just kind of a menu inspiration. So for a graduation dinner, it gives you a recipe for fruit platter pie and pickled beets. Supper under a shade tree, summer macaroni salad, ice cream with cherry kebabs, or pineapple kebabs, Bing cherry sauce for ice cream, old-fashioned strawberry sauce, that sounds good, strawberry lemon punch, delicious. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna read this recipe for you because it sounds really good. It says 1.5 cups fresh strawberries, 1/2 cup sugar, 3 cans frozen lemonade concentrate, the cans are 6 ounces each, and 1 quart ginger ale and ice. It says a cool, colorful punch to serve for any festive summer occasion. It says you crush the berries, add sugar, let stand ½ hour so the berries lose their juice. Dilute lemonade according to directions on can. Pour into a punch bowl, add strawberries. Just before serving, add ginger ale and ice. Okay, I'm gonna try that too for a party. That sounds really yummy. Praline strawberry shortcake. And that is it. A lot of those recipes this time around sounded really good and just like easy and light summery recipes. Okay, so now for in season from the Martha Stewart Everyday magazine, Everyday Food, is cucumbers. You know, I used to hate cucumbers, and then one time I had them in this wrap that now I make all the time, and I love them in anything because you really get used to the taste. I've heard once that you have to taste something 3 times before your tongue can develop a taste for it. And that's been the truth for me. Like if I try cucumbers that are put in something delicious, I end up liking the fruit or vegetable or whatever the case may be. And that's a very French thing to do. They believe that your palate has to get accustomed to new foods, and then you can end up liking anything as long as it is made well. So the recipes are cucumber and celery salad with tuna. That looks really like a nice light accompaniment to any dinner. Chicken koftas, don't know if I'm saying that right, with cucumbers and yogurt. It looks like a gyro, whatever you say. Grilled salmon and cucumbers. I do want to make some salmon this month. Cucumber buttermilk soup, and the quick ideas is a cucumber cooler, cucumber radish crostini. That sounds yummy. And it says also great right now are tomatillos, which my mom always had tons of tomatillo plants growing up, and they are actually really good. I like green salsa. And then also just a reminder, because I forgot to mention that before, if you guys hear anything in these magazines that you really like and that sounds good to you, head over to the Martha Stewart website and look up the title, because I like to give you guys meal inspiration from these recipes because they're actually still on their site and you guys can look it up for yourselves. Okay, in season is arugula, and okay, and it gives you tips on buying and storing. It says mature arugula is sold in bunches, baby arugula comes loose or prepackaged. Look for green perky leaves without blemishes or spots. Arugula can be sandy, so submerge it in a bowl of cold water, then drain and spin dry. Wrap leaves in paper towels and refrigerate in plastic bag up to 3 days. And I had arugula on a sandwich the other day, or was it a salad? And I really liked it. It's kind of more of a peppery taste than lettuce. And then the recipes are arugula salad with almonds and parmesan, and sauteed shrimp with arugula and tomatoes. Looks good. Ooh, this looks really yummy. Lemony pasta with wilted arugula. That looks really good. Arugula, feta, and mint relish. Looks like it's on a lamb, grilled lamb. That would be good to fire up the grill with. Farmers markets are starting up right now, which I think mine starts this week. Oh, I think tonight actually. So maybe I'm gonna have to go over to a farmer's market. Real quick, I forgot to read how to pick out good cucumbers because you guys always ask me, so I like to read the storing or picking out instructions. So cucumbers, it says, choose cucumbers that feel heavy or for their size and have dark green skin free of the spots that indicate spoilage. Refrigerate cucumbers loosely wrapped in plastic up to 5 days. Anyways, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the June edition of the in-season produce. As always, I will be doing a menu planning / grocery shopping haul video, as well as a cook with me video to go along with this one. So keep your eyes peeled out for that, and make sure you're subscribed if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Also, don't forget to enter my giveaway. I'm so excited for one of you to win this, so head to the description box for more instructions on how to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so glad you guys enjoyed these videos every month because I enjoy making them too. And yeah, I'll just see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.